Hey, it's Friday. Don't forget to request your 300,000 plus free lead swap leads today. I'm going to produce this video and show you how I do it every Friday. And of course, many of you watched some of my previous videos, but let's do it again. As you can see, last week I just received 325,000 leads. And of course, the week before that was 318,000. I'm on my platform here at HarveySilverFox.com, and I have all the training, everything that you need to build your My Lead Gen secret business, including 2,000 access to 2,000 opportunity seeker leads here. So when you do make your way to HarveySilverFox.com, this is what you want to do. You're going to land on the home page here, this login. And you're going to scroll down here, going to open that up, and all the training, everything that you need to build your MyGen Lead Secret business is right here. Plus, back here on the main page, you have all kinds of other tools and training here, such as my live training room. And of course, this video I'm producing right now, I'm going to use the tools found behind this door to rank this video. And over here, you can pick up abandoned domain names with instant brand name traffic, $15. In fact, Marty and I found one the other day. It had 1,000 visitors going to it every day, just sitting out there. And we bought it for actually it was less than $15. And of course, I got some Bitcoin training and tools here. Here's some the Sizzle Call viral marketing system that's free. Here's a viral video downline builder marketing system that's free. Here's a course, 6-Figure Email Profits is a detailed course on how to set up your emails. Of course, ClickBank training is here. This is how to build a blog. If you want me to produce a webinar for you, not a problem. Here's some more leads. In fact, there's a viral lead generating tool back there. Facebook marketing, I show you in real time how I generate 100 leads every day from Facebook. Costs me nothing. Of course, Twitter marketing. Here's some Autobot tools, work smarter, not harder, and branding. But right now, let's do this. Let's go down here and get this ready. And I'm going to place this video I'm producing right now, right here. When you click through here, this is where you're going to find this video. So let me pause this recording and get set up. Now, every Friday, Reed sends out an email to those who have qualified for the lead swap. And of course, there's a countdown timer here. I have 15 hours, 40 minutes left to submit my leads, and I have 1,400 leads I'm going to submit to the lead swap today. But here are the instructions right here. You can't mess this up. Just follow the instructions. So today is the day for this week's lead swap. You can find here are the instructions. Please get your leads in by midnight Eastern Standard Time. So I'm going to pause the video again, and I'm going to click through and just take a look. Here's the Facebook page, and like I say, this is by invitation only. So I'm going to give you instructions at the end of this video on how to join my organization, and then you can start requesting your lead swaps every Friday. So let's scroll down here and submit your leads here. So let's go over there and click here and submit my leads. Okay, here's a form. I'm going to pause again and set this up. It's asking for my name, Harvey Silver Fox, the email. And now it wants my leads. So I'm going to go over to My Lead Gen Secret, and we're going to set that up. So we're in the back office of my Lead Gen Secret. Here are my leads. And for the last 7 days, I'm going to count down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I receive 200 leads a day, so a total of 1,400 leads. Now what I'm going to do is come down here. I'm going to download my leads to an Excel spreadsheet, so let me do that. So here are my 1,400 leads. Now let's go back to that phone and upload them into the lead swap. There's my download file right here. And open. And there they are. And I'm going to submit. Oh, enter the number of leads. I forgot to do that. 1,400. 1,400 leads. There we go. Let's try it again. Submit. Now that's how easy this is. Now next Monday, Reed is going to send me an email with everybody else's leads. Remember, this is like a little co-op. It's a lead swap. I submitted 1,400 and I should get back over 300,000 leads. All right. Okay, it says please post in the group and let everyone know that how many leads you're contributing this week. So let's go do that. Okay, just submitted 1,400 leads, plus I'm producing a live video of me submitting the leads. So let's post. That's it. I put my little thumbnail on my video that I'm producing right now, showing everybody. All right, but that's it. So here's what I want you to do is I want you to scroll down into the description of this video. You're going to find a couple links down there. One of the links will take you over to this location here. It says 100 fresh leads every day, got leads. Once you join, please reply with your emailed invoice to HarveySilverFox@gmail.com for instructions on how to join the weekly lead swap. Like I say, this is by invitation only, so you must send me your invoice to receive those instructions. And I have a training video here, and I have a training video here, and this is where you can access those free 2,000 opportunity seeker leads here. Okay, until next Monday when I do receive those 300,000 plus leads, let's go make some money.